Happy Halloween, guys.
Hey!
Did you hear something, Frank? You better go check it out. Are you afraid of the dark, Barry? Don't be scared. There's nothing to be afraid of. What was that noise? Don't worry, Barry. It was probably just the wind. Stop trying to scare him, Chili. Barry is really afraid. You seem afraid too, Chili. It's just a bit of thunder. Well, everything just seems scarier in the dark. That's a dark shadow. But what's causing it? Oh, it's your dad, Chili. His ladder is up. Chili, stop teasing. What is it, Barry? What's wrong? Oh, cobwebs. They're sticking to the marshmallows. You just walked through a spider's house. No monsters here. Good idea, Sonny. You two go wash up in the pond. What was that? Is that a spaceship? Maybe your eyes are playing tricks on you. Oh, the light was your dad's headlights, Chili. It's swamp monsters. Chili, Chili, where'd you go? It's just Barry and Sonny covered in seaweed. You know what? It's okay to be afraid sometimes, guys. All you have to worry about now is getting that sticky marshmallow off your faces. What a beautiful tower, babies. Oh, the tower's about to fall. Oh no, babies are hurt. Hold on, babies. Amber will make you feel better. Chili was the one holding up Barry and Sonny. The vitamin worked instantly. Everyone feeling better now? Babies, do you want to help Amber? Wash your tires first. The face mask will protect you from catching diseases. First, check his temperature. That shows a high temperature. Now, give him a pill to lower his temperature. You need to cover his mouth to prevent the cough from spreading. Good job, babies. Get some rest, Ben. Is your nose blocked, Billy? Do you have a cold? Barry, give Billy some tissues to blow his nose. Always always use a tissue to blow your nose. Chili, please give Billy a pill for the cold. You'll feel better in no time, Billy. Well done, babies. Did you eat too much ice cream, Carrie? Check her heartbeat. Whew, her heartbeat is normal. Okay, babies. Let's check Carrie's temperature. Temperature's normal. Carrie needs a pill for her painful tummy. No berry, it's the blue pill. Good job. Carrie will be much better now. Babies, wasn't it nice to help others? Amber's got a reward for you. Aha! What should you do first? Hi, babies. Are you playing fireman? Would you like to see what a real fireman does? Hi, Frank.
Oh.
How about you teach our babies what you know?
Hey.
Frank, babies, someone needs your help at the park.
Hey.
Another mission? Oh no, the fire is spreading.
Hey. Oh.
Great idea, Sonny.
Hey.
Hi, babies. What are you up to? Oh, I see. You guys want to build a sandcastle. Edna, are you helping out? Oh, I see. Someone's got an idea. Working. Well done, Barry. Oh no, the wave! It could crash on the castle. Ha! What a nice sandcastle! Nice teamwork, everyone. Enjoy your day at the beach. Our babies are back to school. Barry, Sonny, Chili, where are you? Can you see them? Oh, there you are. Why don't you go and play with the others? Looks like the babies are not so confident about their first day. Your teacher Lily is right. Go and mingle a little. Come on, Sonny, get in line. You can do it. Come on, Chili. Go have fun with your new friend. Come on, Barry. Time to spin. See, babies? School is an awesome place to make new friends. What are you up to, babies? You'll get in trouble. Do you want to use the yellow paint? Do you want to use the blue paint? You're right, Barry. If Tim wakes up, you will all be in big trouble. Look behind you, babies. Rub harder, babies. And next time, don't get in trouble.